Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Just 10 minutes. I don't know, maybe you have king in your town. And I know Sheyi Law, they are planning to have new king in their hometown. But you have king in your town, like my hometown. I'm from Otu Ekiti. No, you don't have time, don't worry. Please, I want everybody to stand up and honor my Kabiyesi. He's actually waiting for this. Just 5 minutes. He said, oh, don't worry, I will wait. Thank you so much, Kabiyesi. Thank you. God will bless you. Adi Akelori, Bata Akelese. Hey, so you know one thing? And it is a grace of God. So once again, I want to appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Yes, quickly, we are here because of what? Autism.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.